Today we are going to see the type of network areas. What is network area? That is the medium that is used for communications. There are three different types of network designed to operate over the areas they can cover. They were LAN, WAN and MAN. We have seen some similarities and dissimilarities between them. So the major differences is the geographical area they covered. First, LAN can cover only the small areas, where MAN can cover the large area than WAN, where WAN covers the largest of all. So today we are going to just see about how they are covering the different areas through the network design technologies. Other than LAN, WAN, MAN, we have different types of network areas. They were PAN, Personal Area Network, Campus Area Network, Metropolitan Area Network, Wide Area Network, Storage Area Network, Enterprise Private Network, Virtual Private Network. We will see one by one in the following classes. What is Personal Area Network? That is PAN. It is a computer network to interconnect the electronic device within the individual workspace. That is an individual device connection. Okay. It can communicate between the personal devices or connect to the higher level networks on the internet. It connects the computerized devices, that creating the connection that can be either a wired or wireless or through the Bluetooth or by an IRDA. So device within the PAN exchange the data within each other. Since PAN does not include any router and does not directly connect to the internet, device within the PAN can be connected to the LAN that connects to the internet. It provides a single user environment for connecting the multiple devices, because that it makes useful for an office, home places or small network areas. So PAN can be only two types, either wired or wireless network medium type. First one, WPAN, that is Wireless Personal Area Network. It can interconnect the devices around the places through wireless mediums. That is the person-centered short-range wireless connectivity is available. It can be ranged within 10 meters, that is very short range. Okay, there is not much requirement for the infrastructure. Best examples were digital cameras, Wi-Fi, etc. This PAN can be classified into three types, that is wireless PAN. First one is high rate WPAN. It can be more than throughput of 20 Mbps, where for medium rate WPAN the data throughput is 1 Mbps. For low rate WPAN the rate throughput is less than 0.25 Mbps per second. Got it? Here some of the methods where the wireless PANs are used bestly. First one is ultra wideband. It is a communication medium that is used in the wireless network because it has low power consumption due to its high bandwidth connectivity. Here it will transmit the data over the short distance without using too much of power. Transmitted over the several frequencies. Got it? Next one is ZigBee. It is one of the home networking that creates for controlling and sensing networks. It is based upon the IEEE 802.15.4 standard. Got it? And this device with the low data transfer for short range wireless communication, it can be used. Next one is the most important and well known, that is Bluetooth. It is used for exchange the data over the shorter distance. It can be used in industries or unlicensed or medium having the bandwidth of 2.4 to 2.485 GHz. And the last one is IRDA, which is shortly known as the Infrared Data Association. Utilizing the infrared light has a frequency that is lower than the sensitivity of the human eye. It can run at the speed of 115.2 kilobits per second to 1.15 megabits and 4 megabits per second. It uses the IRDA ports must be within the 10 feet of each other with clear line of sight between them. Next one is the wired PAN. That is, it can provide the short connectivity among the peripheral devices that is connected via through wired. First one is an IEEE 1394, that is FireWire. Here I have shown some small images. This how this FireWires will be look. It is an interface standard for serial buses that is used for a high speed communication and for a synchronous real time data transfer. And it is having the plug-in socket and connectivity with the serial bus interfaces. Got it? Next one is a Thunderbolt. It is a type of one of the hardware interfaces for connecting the external peripheral devices to the computer. That is, this networking technology extends the personal computer networks to the external peripherals. One of the latest version is Thunderbolt 4 protocol. It supports two 4K displays or by a single 8K displays. And it can be length up to 2 meter long, that is cord length can be up to 2 meters. Next one is an universal serial bus, that is USB. This is the industrial standard established specification for cable protocols, connected for communication and power supply between the peripheral devices and the personal. Here the USB is used for communicating and supplying the electric powers. Got it? And finally is a near field communication, that is NFC. It is one of the communication protocol that helps in enabling the two electronic devices. The example such as, that is smartphone is one of them. Commonly it is used for and contactless payments and access control and for a data sharing. Next we have seen some small type of network type, that is band, that is body area network. It is sort of two type. One is in medical band and one more is a fitness or entertainment band. In medical band it is specifically used for and vital sign and managing the medical device implanting in the in or warm of the body cells. For it is used in the healthcare settings. Got it? And fitnesses, we are using the some smartwatches. No, that is the best example. It is used for connecting the wearable devices like fitness trackers, smartwatches or smart clothing to the smartphones or computers. Got it? Advantages means that is easy for communicating between the small devices, that is the personal devices. Okay, it can be set up easily and quickly, and this using the wireless technology which eliminate the need of wires and cables. And one more thing is that it can be designed for and device can communicate with the other without draining their batteries quickly. Typically, it is one of the secured using the encryption and authentication protocols with the help of the prevent of unauthorized access to the data and the resources. Disadvantage means it can cover only the limited area, so it is not suitable for the large areas, and it have a limited bandwidth also, so it cannot able to handle the large amount of data or a high speed communication. May experience the interface from some other wireless devices also. For more notes related to PG TRB exam, please subscribe Rana TRB CS. Thank you.